Inhlekelele yaseGoli ikhumbuze uhulumeni ukuthi kunesidingo sokuqinisekisa ukuthotshelwa komthetho.
Those people who have invaded our buildings, we are instructing them to leave the buildings as of now because it would lead to the disaster, failing which we are going to mobilize the state resources in order to remove them.
Kunezakhiwo einingane iduniwe nasEThekwini.
You know the issue of Lenzas Road. We initiated the process of evicting people. Within seconds, people were able to find a senior counsel. Do you think that people who reside in these buildings who do not even have employment can afford to pay for a senior counsel? It tells you that there are drug dealers who are hiding behind these committee members who are really vulnerable. Then they are using them as a shield so that they can continue to do their drug work and circulate drugs in our city.
Ekhuluma eceleni kwengqungquthela yezemisebenzi kahulumeni, umengameli wabahlali basemjondolo uphawule ngeinhlekelele zemjondolo eminyene lapho izakhamuzi ifuna khona indawo eseduzane namathuba emisebenzi.
The government has ignored resolving the question of land in this country, and people are desperate. And as long as there are migration and as long as there are urbanizations, our cities and our state need to make sure that our cities are able to accommodate the influx of people coming into our cities, and everyone is occupying safe buildings.
Uthi isombululo silele ekuthuthukisweni kweindawo zasemakhaya.